Hey guys, how's it going? It's certainly been a while. I think it's been over just a month, so I wanted to give you guys a quick update on what I've been up to, what I've been doing with the family, the car, of course, which is right there. I've been hanging out with the bike, so I just wanted to kind of give you guys a quick video update, and above all, to thank you guys for 600 subscribers, which is absolutely friggin' amazing. And yeah, let's just dive right in. So first off, for those who don't know, my wife and I are foster parents, and we currently have 2 children in our care, and my wife just bought a McLaren, which I think is awesome, so go ahead and check this out. This is not clickbait, it really did happen, so go ahead and enjoy. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is a McLaren double stroller for our foster kids, and you can also see up above I have my new license plate that basically will go on the car. When I'm at car shows and stuff, I'm gonna get some magnets, and I'll basically be able to just attach it to the my actual plate. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably saw that my company PixelBit actually ended up developing the website for APX events, which is an event here in Boston that they essentially bring out cars and YouTube personalities, lots of personalities. You get to meet firsthand, you get to have conversations with them. It's a great event put on by a great company, and I had the awesome pleasure of working with them building the new website, which launched just a couple of weeks ago. So I'll put a link in the description if you want to go ahead and check that out. But above all, definitely, buy tickets if you're local to the area. If you're around the New England area, definitely go buy tickets. It's a great event. You have Dr. M3, you have Sab Kyle, you have Tedward, you have that dude in blue. Just to name a few personalities that'll be there. Check out the website and you'll be shocked how many awesome people are gonna be there. And I'm sure there's at least 1 or 2 personalities that you follow on a daily basis, and how cool would it be to actually meet them in person. And M3 News, which you can see the car sitting right here in all of its glory. I'm not sure if you guys have seen this before, but I ended up getting these decals, which has actually worked out pretty well because I've had people have subscribed to the channel and then left me a message saying that they saw my car and they decided to subscribe. So I mean, that's been really awesome. Believe it or not, this car is actually up for sale right now. I'm not going to go into too many details right now. It's new. It's basically set for a price that, if it goes for that, I'll be okay with it because I can get something else fun. If it doesn't, then I'm going to keep it. I really enjoy it. I drive it every day, and I'd love to see it go to another car enthusiast. So if you're local to the area and you're interested, definitely shoot me a message. But please don't lowball me. Please don't offer me mopeds and Honda Civics and whatever Craigslist has to offer. I should really make a video on the things that I'm offered when I was selling my bike or my car or other things. It's actually quite insane, but it also, I guess, is kind of comedic in a way too. So this is a quick life update video for my subscribers. If you're new here, this probably wasn't super interesting, but I appreciate you guys sticking around. I'm gonna be creating all sorts of great car content. I'm also gonna be getting back into the business content because a bunch of people have been messaging me, asking me what I've been up to in that, and it's helped a bunch of people, so I definitely wanna continue to do that. The latest business video actually comes out tomorrow. So today's Thursday, it'll come out tomorrow, Friday. So definitely be on the lookout for that. I'm still trying to work out a schedule on when I can release this content. This is all still in the learning phases of YouTube and content creation, but at the end of the day, I really enjoy creating this content. I love the engagement that I'm getting. I have over 200,000 views on the channel, over 600 subscribers, and really that's kind of just a gift to me that I create this content and I enjoy it, and everybody else enjoys it with me. And I have tons of support from the community, and just overall just really enjoy doing this. So above all, I appreciate you guys with the continued support. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.